Hello, everyone. Welcome to Say It in Spanish. Today, we will learn new Spanish words and phrases.
Yo veo, I see, I watch. Tú ves, you see, you watch. Él ve, he sees, he watches. Ella ve, she sees, she watches. Usted ve, you see, you watch. Nosotros vemos, we see, we watch. Vosotros veis, you see, you watch. Ellos ven, they see, they watch. Ellas ven, they see, they watch. Ustedes ven, you see, you watch.
Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe on this channel. And then hit the notification button so that you don't miss any episode of Spanish for Everyone. Goodbye. Ciao.